In this video, I will quickly show you how to set up a Wealthfront Cash account in 2026. First, go to the official Wealthfront website or download the mobile app. After that, click Sign Up or Get Started to begin the registration process. Now enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. Next, fill in your personal details such as full name, date of birth, and address. The platform may request your tax identification number to verify your identity. After that, confirm your email or phone number using the verification code sent to you. Now select the Wealthfront Cash Account option among the available products. Next, connect a bank account to transfer funds into your new account. Enter the amount you want to deposit to start using the account. After confirmation, you will be able to store money, transfer funds, and manage your finances. Always check if the service is available in your country before creating an account. And that's it. Now you know how to set up a Wealthfront Cash account in 2026 easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.